Oh, that's the biggest snapping turtle. Gosh, should I pick him up? Got him. Look at this guy. Well, I just stopped for a quick meal at a Coney Island, of all places. And across the street here is a little tiny retention pond, just like the last video. So let's see if there's anything in this one. I don't know. I love finding these little ponds on the side of the road. You never know what's gonna be in them. Sometimes fish, sometimes nothing, but always worth a shot. I'm going to bring the jig, because that's what I have tied on right now. And this little frog, little popper frog, something subtle. All right, let's check it out. All right, it looks rather promising, but there's a lot of tall grass all around it. I did bring waders with me today. Oh, this is interesting. I suppose I can walk through here in waders if I want to. It looks like someone has been over here before. Oh, and there's a drain. Oh, this water looks like it's flowing, which is good. Can I stand on this? Golly, I don't think I can get around here. Try this. See how deep it is, first of all. Not very. I would imagine there's one fish in here at least. Feels like a rocky bottom too, which is kind of neat. All right, not even a nibble. One more cast. Oh, I just got hit. Dude, something had it. Okay, so there's fish in here. It just started taking it out real slow. Let's see if I can get it to come back. All right, this is hilarious. So I've got my waders on. I'm fishing this retention pond. I see a drain. I got hit, so there's got to be something here. There has to be. Dude, this is wild. I feel like I'm duck hunting right now. Oh my God. I just stepped in a hole. Oh my God, dude. This is a recipe for disaster. Okay. New plan, new plan. It gets so deep, so fast. This looks like it might not. I could at least cast right here. Oh my God, that's the biggest snapping turtle. Dude, should I grab him? I'm gonna grab him. Come here, buddy. Gosh, should I pick him up? Got him. I got him. Oh, guys, check this out. Look at this guy. Look at that. He's big. Look at this guy. Big old snapper. All right. I'll let you go. Oh, that's sick. That was cool, dude. Dude, my heart is pounding. That was crazy. He was big. I was like, what are all these paths from? And it's totally from big snappers like that. I've never picked one of those guys up. That was sick. My hand smells so bad. I'm scared to put my hands in the water. I don't want to get them snapped off. Something just hit on the surface right there, it looked like. There's a fish. Oh, I had one. Damn. Oh, he had it again. What is that? I just had something again. It hit and then it, oh, whatever it was, I almost had it. Dude, come on. I gotta get something small. All right, let's see if I can get through here. Probably can. Probably gonna end up with a tick. But that's okay. No pain, no gain, right guys? Oh, there's a ton of fish right here, dude. Bunch of bluegill. See if there's a bass. That's what's been hitting it. Big school of gills. That's why I can't hook them. I don't see any bass in their midst. Oh, there's one, there's one. I just saw a bass in their midst. There's definitely bass here. There's a bass. Oh yeah. There he is. Oh, there's a bass in here. Dude, there's a couple big bass over here. Well, that was a good plan. And we did find fish. So this is one of those retention ponds where there are fish in it. They're just, they don't want this. They want freaking Senko. They want something easy. Maybe some kind of moving bait. I'm sure I have a tick on me right now. Yikes. All right, I wonder if it's just a bad time of day. But now that I know there's fish here, I might as well try to catch one. I can't leave. I'm just like determined now. This is where that big snapper was. Gotta be careful. Don't walk too deep. Okay. Got a fish. I got a fish. Oh, it came off. I think it was a bluegill. Something hit it. First cast with the whopper plopper. I shouldn't have muscled him like that. All right, let's get out of here. How's it going, man? I've never been here before. It's just a paid park?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sweet. Just $3?
Yep.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Yep, you have a great day.
You as well. Well, that's interesting. I always see this from the road and I've always wanted to fish it. This is one of those paid parks out in Ypsilanti. This is real crazy. Trying to just get down to the lake here. That was a long walk. Big old swan right there. All right, that was a long walk. Super long walk. Let's see if we can dangle something right here. Oh yeah, this looks like a smallmouth spot right here. Big time. A lot of pressure in this lake. Looks kind of dirty. That was a fish. There's one. Oh, what is that? Crappie. Sweet. Dude, my first fish of the day is a freaking, I think that's a black crappie. All right, first fish of the day. I saw my line swimming away. It's a little crappie. He's cool. Look at that. Haven't caught one of these since ice season. All right, let's get him back. See you, pal. Whoa, what are you doing, dude? See ya. Cool. Let's get another one. Goes to show you that everything will hit the jig. Every single fish wants to eat a craw. Never caught a crappie on a bass jig before. That was kind of sick. Right under this tree, I bet there's more. Crappie are kind of like that.
One eternity later.
There's one. That's a good one. It's a decent one. Nice. Nice. Ooh, nice largemouth. Nice largemouth. Not too bad. Let's go. All right. This trip wasn't for nothing. All right, nice largemouth. Ooh, this fish stinks, dude. It smells like pine scent. It smells like a pike. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna let this guy go. A little stinky largemouth. See, dude. Oh, what are you doing? There you go. Yes. All right, finally a freaking green bass. That was sick. Let's try this. All these sticks and stuff. It's a little overcast over here. Oh no. Oh no. Baby duck. No, 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 no. Oh! Oh. See if it'll come back for it. Something came up for it. I just got a blow up over here. That baby duck was chasing this, and then I was trying to get it away from him. Something came up and tried to smoke this thing. All right. Got him. Nice. Knew there was something down there. All right, little rock bass. I saw him pick this up. That must be who took my craw arm earlier. Knew there'd be a little rock bass over here at least. See you, dude. All right. I'm gonna start making my way out of here. No smallmouth. So strange. Well, I'm making the long trek back to my car. That was really fun. I love just exploring new territory. Got to explore 2 new areas, that little tiny pond off the side of the road. I'm not done trying to fish that yet. I think there's potential there. Maybe in the morning or something I could throw a popper. There were some big bass in that little tiny retention pond, which is so cool to see. You know, you see little puddles like that. I see them all the time when I'm driving, and I always wonder, are there fish in there? That one had a bunch of gills and some good sized bass, some little bass too, but I saw some pretty big ones by that drain. So I'll definitely be hitting that up next time I'm in this area. But we caught a little crappie, which is really fun for me. I never really catch those guys. Decent sized largemouth and a little rock bass. Not terrible, didn't get skunked, but definitely had an adventure. And I caught a turtle too. Don't forget that snapping turtle. It was nuts. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought, drop a like, and as always, I'm Dink Dangler. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Look, there's one. Got him. Nice, dude. Yes.